Hi Lucky, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. And thank you for being a part of my assignment. As I mentioned you before, I'm working on an assignment related to Uber and I asked some questions. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay. Have you used Uber before this test?
yeah, I use Uber quite often.
Okay. How often do you use ride hailing apps, like on daily basis, weekly or rarely?
Rarely.
Okay. Which other service do you like use to Lyft, Bolt, other or no one?
No one of them I have used.
Okay. Can you speak a bit louder, please?
Yeah, sure.
How easy was it to complete this task?
Quite easy.
Quite easy. Okay. How easy was it to locate the payment section in this app?
For the first time, it was difficult,
Mm-hmm.
uh, but I think it's easy.
Okay. And did you encounter any confusion or hesitation during the task?
Yeah, sometime I got puzzled with the pickup spots.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only issue I had so far.
Okay. Okay. And how would you like to rate the booking screen layout?
Uh, I would rate 4 out of 5.
Okay. Any reason?
No, it's not.
Okay. Could you find right options like Uber X and did anything else easily on Uber app?
Yeah,
Was it easy to follow your driver route on ease?
yeah, it's very easy.
Okay.
We can follow the map
Okay.
within.
How easy was it to understand the estimated arrival time of your driver?
Sorry, can you repeat?
How easy was it to understand the estimated arrival time of your?
It's easy, but depends on network as well.
Okay. Did you find any app crash? Did you experience any app crash?
Not
Not really. Okay.
not so far.
Okay. Overall satisfaction with Uber usability, how would you rate between 1 to 5?
4.5.
4.5. Okay, that's good. Would you prefer any other another app for booking a ride?
No, I have not used any other app, so I can't rate any other app.
Okay, that's good. Was there anything you found frustrating or difficult in this app?
No,
Not okay.
it's
Uh,
quite user friendly.
any problem while canceling your ride?
No,
Okay. Is Uber user friendly for the first time users?
yeah,
Like when
I
you
think
use.
payment method is a bit difficult, but everything else is quite easy.
Okay, that's good. The final question, would you like to recommend this app to your family or friends?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
Uh,
Hi Komal, how are you?
I am good. How is it going?
Good, thank you. And thank you for your time to being a part of my assignment. As you know, I'm working on assignment related to Uber app. So I'll ask some questions on your experience. So have you used Uber before this test?
Yes, most of the time I use the Uber apps for my daily basis.
Okay. And how often do you use ride hailing apps? I think you already mentioned on a daily basis, but still, how often do you use ride hailing apps on daily basis, weekly or rarely?
Most of the time is related to my related to my work, but rest all over from study I didn't use like the Uber apps.
Okay. Which other service do you use? Like Lyft, Bolt, other or no?
No, before I mentioned I just like Uber apps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so how easy was it to complete this task? This task mean how easy you find to book a ride on this Uber app?
Most of the time I book a ride for on Uber apps because it is cheapest and easiest way for everyone as well as for me. So I prefer most of the time to Uber apps.
Okay. How easy was it to locate the payment section in this app?
Yeah. In this started time I faces many difficulties, but now I am used to and I easily to like to prove my payment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you encounter any confusion or hesitation during to book a ride for you?
Earlier I mentioned like everything when we used to first time everything related to app or related to another thing, it faces many difficulties, but time to time we can use to it, and after that we not faces problems. So same like here in my situation, now I didn't face any
Okay.
electric problem.
How would you rate the screen layout when you open the Uber app? How would you like to rate?
Yeah, I am totally agree with that.
Like a very poor,
No,
or excellent?
like to medium, not poor, not
Okay.
it's like to
Okay.
depends on the situation.
Was it easy to follow your driver route on this app?
Yeah, it depends on the distance, how long and how to arrive. But depend like according to my opinion, it's easy to find like to Uber for
Okay.
their
Okay.
own destination.
How easy way, like how easy was it to understand the estimated arrival time of your driver? Like
Yeah, it's
it's
around.
like easy, neutral, or difficult you find to.
No, it's easiest way to find out.
Okay. Okay. So overall satisfaction with Uber usability, how would you rate 1 to 5? Like between 1 to 5?
Yeah, it's like four is good.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Would you prefer another app for book a ride?
No, to be honest, I just like this one.
Okay. And is Uber user friendly for the first time users?
Means first time.
Like when you use the Uber app first time, did you face any difficulty, or you like it
Earlier, I mentioned everything that we early like to starting time. Everyone faces problems, but after that we can use it.
Okay, so
Used to that one.
okay, so you find it good or not?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. So the final question is, would you like to recommend Uber app with your family or friends?
Yeah, I recommended most of them because this one is the easiest way, and Uber apps is very good, and I recommend it to everyone to use this one.
Okay. Thank you. Tanu, how are you?
I'm good.
Thanks for taking the time to chat with me today. As I mentioned you before, I'm working on my assignment on a Uber app. So I will ask some questions about that.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you can share your experience with me.
Sure.
So let's start. Have you used Uber before this test?
Yes. I usually use Uber in order to like
Mhm.
reach my workplace or for my lecture or sometime like for
Mm.
traveling. I would say
Okay.
yes. Mm.
Okay. So how often do you use ride hailing apps, like daily, weekly, or rarely?
Not daily, but rarely, I would say, because here in Canberra, like
Mm-hmm.
transportation system is really good, so I don't have to use Uber
Exactly.
daily or weekly. But yes, sometimes
Mm-hmm.
the transportation system is not good on weekends. So on
Mm-hmm.
weekends, I have to like book Uber in order to go somewhere.
Okay, that's good.
Mhm.
How easy was it to complete this task, like book an Uber ride? How easy is it to complete?
I will give 4 marks on a scale
Mm-hmm.
because
Okay.
booking a ride or even tracking a driver is very easy. But
Mm-hmm.
sometime, as it mentioned, that applying promo code, I feel difficulty because once it was happened to me that one promo code is not working there. It said that it's already
Okay.
expired.
Okay.
Yeah.
How easy was it to locate the payment section to make a payment for your ride?
Payment, I would say neutral because
Okay. Any reason?
uh, once I, for me, like once I booked an Uber and I
Mm-hmm.
wasn't able to locate the driver, so I just declined the request and my
Mm-hmm.
payment, I never get the refund for that. So I have to like contact to the customer service for my like
Mhm.
refund of the payment. So this is the reason that I would say it's neutral for me.
Okay. Okay. And did you encounter any confusion or hesitation during the task?
No,
No, that's
no.
good. Uh, Rate the booking screen layout. How much you would rate to this app?
I would say 4 because only
Four.
there is a problem with the navigation system, not with the
Mhm.
rest layout of the website.
Layout, yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so
Okay.
I would say
Did you find any ride options? Like example, Uber X.
yes. In Canberra, there are more options like UberX, Didi, and
Mm-hmm.
ACT cabs. There are very other kind of options available.
Okay. Was it easy to follow your
Sorry.
sorry, was it easy to follow your driver route on app?
Yes,
Like
very easy.
far out.
Like, every kind of route, every kind of street,
Mhm.
road, everything is like visible to a client. So it's very easy to
Okay.
locate the driver.
Okay, that's good. How easy was it to understand the estimated arrival time of your like Uber driver?
It can be difficult sometime because if we are in a busy area, so
Mm,
everybody will face uh, difficulty in order to like locate the
yeah.
exact driver's car.
Okay. Okay, move on to the next question. Overall satisfaction with Uber usability, how would you rate in 1 to 5 between?
Um, I will give 4 because I have some incident with this, so I would
Yeah,
go with
good.
4.
Yep. Was there anything you found frustrating or difficult while using this app?
Never. I have never
Never.
faced any frustration situation before.
And like, did you face any problem while canceling your ride for any of reason?
Yes. Uh,
I think you already mentioned.
yes, it's cause of
Yeah.
technical glitch sometime.
Yeah. Okay. And is Uber user friendly for first time users? Like if
For
someone
first
uses
time,
Uber.
if you go with the like Uber X, it's easier for to book a ride. But if you go
Mm-hmm.
with Uber Pool, like first time user will find difficulty.
Yes. Okay. And the last question is, would you like to recommend the Uber app to your family or friends?
Yeah, sure. I would love to because it's the more convenient and fastest way. So
Mm-hmm.
sometime like we have some transportation crashes, so I would say
Yes.
Uber is a good option.
Okay. Thank you, Tanu, for your time.
No worries. Thank you.